Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the poem If I Was a Tree. So everyone plug in your earphones. This poem has been written by Mudnakudu Chinnaswamy. In this poem, the poet is speaking on the behalf of the untouchables. He loves the life of a tree instead of being an untouchable because a tree is acceptable to the society, but an untouchable is not acceptable to the society. Even in the modern times, an untouchable is disliked and kept out of society. The poet wanted to be born as a tree, as the tree wouldn't be asked what caste it belonged before it built its nest. When the sunlight embraced the tree, the shadow wouldn't feel defiled. Nature would accept him without any discrimination. The tree's friendship with the cool breeze and the leaves would be sweet. The raindrops wouldn't withdraw, taking him for a dog eater, which is a very bad treatment to a fellow human. The Mother Earth wouldn't flee, shouting for a bath when the tree spreads its branches. He ironically says that the sacked cow would scrap her body on the bark of the tree. Thousands of gods sheltering inside her body would touch the tree without any hesitation. The poet hopes that a tree hacked into pieces of dry wood will still be pure, burning in the holy pyre. So, as a tree, he can still become pure, or as pieces of wood, he would do a sacred job of carrying a sinless body as a bier borne by four good men. At last, the dry broken wood of the tree may be used for the funeral of good people. Through this poem, the author condemns the blind belief called untouchability.